It's an all-out debacle here inside the Bitcoin chart. The bulls have seemingly lost momentum, and the question now becomes, is the 8.5K region potentially the next target zone? What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. What is going on, my friends? Today I'd like to discuss Bitcoin and the action we're seeing inside the chart right now. Grandma's cookies and a bottle of yo-ho-ho. Another lightsaber of doom here inside the Bitcoin chart. Have the bulls seemingly lost all momentum in this parabolic uptrend? Are we seeing what looks like the potential makings of a full bubble pop market cycle? And on the contrary, ladies and gentlemen, is it possible that this is just a short-lived dump before another attempt to create new yearly highs? So as a full-time trader, I'd like to discuss with you my strategy, my game plan, and how I plan to crush this market right now in the immediate term. So without any further ado, you guys already know the deal. If you like these daily crypto videos and nightly live streams, smack that thumbs up button, click the subscribe, tick the little bell, and let's get this crypto. Moon the likes, ladies and gentlemen. Moon them up. All right, so we'll begin with our Bitcoin technical analysis. And of course, before we begin, this is not investment advice. This is not trading advice. These are only my own opinions, ideas, and speculative hypotheses on the market. Always do your own research and your own due diligence before investing or trading, as this market is extremely high risk, and I am not your financial advisor. I will never tell you what to do with your trades or investments. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, wow. If you are subscribed here, you would know on yesterday's stream, we were finding a rally here off the local bottom that the bulls wanted to defend, which at the time was still on a higher low trajectory, right? We could not at that point rule out that the bulls had lost full momentum because they had found and stuck in a bottom here, which was above the prior macro low, okay? So then, as we began to rally, I was pointing out that this red box here, for me, starting from 10,800 all the way up to 11,200, was going to be a very difficult area for the bulls to get past, in my opinion. And one of the largest zones that I figured was going to be difficult was this white line here. And this white line for me was at about 10,990. And the reason for this was after our swing high to swing low here, this was the first local bottom formed, okay? Then we found a short-lived reaction rally relief bounce. It then plunged and went right through the old support level. So in my opinion, what I was expecting here is that if this turned out to be just another short-lived relief rally, just like this one was, right, that we were going to find some significant rejection here at this white line because of the classical technical analysis theory of a support to resistance flip. And ladies and gentlemen, ding, 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 chicken wings for dinner, tofu if you're vegan. We did in fact get just that. We also found that rejection along this red line here, right? Which is the 0.236 Fibonacci retracements. And just all along in this region, in and of itself, the resistance confluence to me was overwhelming. I shouted out to you guys yesterday, I was going to be looking to take aggressive short positions inside this range, and Don Carbanaccio did just that. I set up a short ladder at 10,879, another one, 10,979, and then a top order that did not get filled at nearly 11,200. I had the first two short positions filled. Ladies and gentlemen, this gave me an average short position here of over 10,900. Hickory dickory dock, Don Carbanaccio shorted the absolute top. Let's get this crypto. Shout out to my VIPs. I've kept you guys updated with these trades all along the way. Right now, I'm looking for take profits. I'm looking for places to move my stop loss lower and lower to lock in my gains, mitigate my risk, and crush this market like a 2-ton man on a tuna fish can. And right now, I'm sitting in juicy profits here, right? Juicy. And the question now becomes here, are we seeing this may only in fact be the first leg down of a true downtrend? Or does this look like we may find a bottom here? So let's dive now deep into the analysis, okay? Because we clearly got rejected here. I expected it. It looked pretty clear cut to me, and I kept you all updated in VIP with my trades there, crushing this market like a 2-ton man on a tuna fish can. Let's get this crypto. So now, if we zoom out here, right, to the 1 day, we really have to start looking at this here. To me, this looks like a classic relative double top coming off of a unsustainable parabolic uptrend. And right now we are starting to create even lower lows, ladies and gentlemen. To me, this is looking increasingly more bearish day by day. And if we go now and look at this infamous NVT indicator here, right, guys, this is what we've been waiting for here in terms of a bearish confirmation for months on end, right? This has been red for a long time, all the way since April 2019. And now here in July 2019, we've finally seen this level get purged through. And right now, are we going to see a similar heinous drop like we have in the past when this indicator has dropped below this key level at about 150? Right now, along with the bearish momentum here inside the chart per the candles, creating a low trajectory, ladies and gentlemen, right? Low. This to me right now is looking more and more like the bears are gaining control here inside this market. We go over to the 1 day RSI here as well. Still in a very neutral territory here at only a 42 at the time of recording, right? We don't get oversold until 30. And look at where we've gone in the past. Way oversold, even down into the single digits, right? Not that it always happens, right? Look at these levels we've got here with nice bounces after getting to, the general vicinity of being oversold. But even if we just got down to the regular oversold, right? 30, say we didn't have a heinous drop down into the single digits, right? My friends, we still have quite a ways to go here on the RSI if we are going to go into oversold territory. Just here alone on the RSI, that's a 28% further drop to the downside to get to that oversold condition. Heinous, ludicrous, and a borderline debacle, if you do in fact ask me, right? So now, coupling this together with the NVT, with the RSI, with the candle charts here, and then we look at the crypto fear and greed index, ladies and gentlemen. Sheesh. We've now been dropping to new lower lows here for the first time in quite some time. This is absolutely telling of the times here, in my opinion, ladies and gentlemen. You guys know many use this as a contrarian indicator, right? But for this entire parabolic uptrend, Don Carbonaccio has been using this as an organic, pure indicator, as seeing that the greed has led to a sustained parabolic action in the trend. And right now, it appears to me that this trend is starting to lose some overexuberance, lose some moonshot dreams and Lamborghinis, because these moon boys have been smacked with reality, ladies and gentlemen, right? And all along this trend, I've been saying it, I've been analyzing it, and I've been preaching it here on this stream, right? Oh, mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the realest Bitcoin analyst of them all? And she said, oh, Don, it's you. And I said, oh, mirror, mirror on the wall, it was a trick question, because Don Carbonaccio has known day in and day out that this analysis here is the realest that you're going to find anywhere, because I look at this unbiased, with no moon boy dream of this thing going up to $1 million, Kirby. Kirby, I bought my first $20 worth of Bitcoins. Do you think that in 3 years I'm going to be a multi-millionaire? These are the types of moon boy hullabaloo garbaggio statements that I see on a daily basis. And when you log in here to this stream, when you tune in to this channel, to the house that Don Carbonaccio built, you best believe that I will never fluff and puff you up with that moon boy garbaggio. If it looks like it's going to go up, I trade it long to the upside. If it looks like it's going to go down, Don Carbonaccio is ready to ski down that mountain with the bears, ladies and gentlemen. And as you can see here, from my analysis yesterday, I took a short position at 10,879, 10,979. And right now, I couldn't be more happy to have shorted the top here and ride this baby down with the bears into the doom zone, ladies and gentlemen. Sheesh. These moon boys, right? They must understand here, ladies and gentlemen, that we are looking at a catastrophic decline inside this market. Look at the altcoins. I'm going to go over now to the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin here, right? Because we need to look at these altcoins real quick. Ladies and gentlemen, the market, in my opinion, right now is at a crossroads. The powder keg is exploding as we speak right now. And what I want to see here is what is the altcoin market looking like when we exclude Bitcoin. So let's dive into that right now. But if you are just tuning in now, don't forget to moon up the likes, moon them up, smash those thumbs, click the subscribe button, tick the little bell. Let's get this crypto. Satoshi needs a new pair of shoes. I'm fired up today, ladies and gentlemen, because this market right now is providing that type of life-changing trading opportunity that I show you all here on a daily basis. I shout it out, right? I see that these type of heinous moves may be looming in the shadows, and when they arise, Don Carbonaccio looks to strike like a cobra out of the grass and get this crypto. Now, let's look here. Total crypto market cap. You all know, if you are subscribed here, that soon as we broke out of this range, which at this point is a long time ago, this is, 2 months ago at this point here, my target was up here. This whole range, right, was my target zone for the altcoins. And we did overshoot it, but we did reach all my targets, right? And now we've since plunged, formed a bit of a bear flag here, right? Blow off top, sideways consolidation, and now a flagpole down. But my friends, this has gotten very, very problematic here, in my opinion, for the health of the altcoin market, because look what has happened here. We wanted to see this turn into a new support, right? It was old support here, which then broke, looked to become new resistance, which it was, then it broke out. Now, upon the retest, we wanted to see this hold as support here to form a new macro low, right? A new macro support at this region to continue the uptrend. My friends, it's purged through this level like a hot knife through butter. And not only that, but it has also purged the upward sloping support line of the trend right now. So for me, you all know how this goes. I'm switching this box from green to now red. We're going to put an X there as it has broken the trend line, broken the box of support, and my friends, the altcoin market has been getting absolutely decimated. So right now, with the altcoins just being shoveled into the gutter, so to say, to me, this is telling of the times here. We're seeing a shift in the crypto fear and greed index. We've seen a shift on the Bitcoin chart. Especially, let's go to the weekly here as well. Let's go over to the weekly and just take a look. Ladies and gentlemen, to me, let's actually go over to this fresh chart here. To me, ladies and gentlemen, the formation we're seeing here is looking awfully similar to a blow-off top of a parabolic uptrend, similar to like what we saw up here at the end of 2017. Let's get this crypto. If we look quickly here at the Wall Street cheat sheet, psychology of a market cycle, this does have very similar characteristics to me here, looking like we hit the euphoria stage, then we have a quick bounce back. You get into a complacency stage, right? Everything looks like it's going to recover. Oh, Kirby, my Bitcoins, I just got them. You think everything's going to be okay, right? And we're going to go to the moon. No, James, I don't sit here and rub your shoulder and let you cry on Don Carbonaccio. I look at this like a realist, a savage, somebody ready to get this crypto to the upside and to the downside. Not here to buy a sandwich worth of Bitcoins and look to hodl to the moon. That's not what this is. Sheesh. Okay? So now, ladies and gentlemen, does this not look like a similar crocodile tooth pattern formation that we've seen time and time again here in this market? Does it not look like we've seen this on the on the Wall Street cheat sheet psychology of a market cycle graphic here? To me, ladies and gentlemen, we may even only be in that euphoria blow off top phase right now, right? It's very possible that this whole thing here becomes the blow off top. And then we have a little rally here, right? On a weekly time frame. This is a long time. We find a complacency stage somewhere, right? Up here, a little bit higher than where we are at now, right? Or if we blow off all the way down to potentially that $8,500 region, $7,500, etc., then we bounce, right? It's possible as well. Find complacency here. The bottom's in, Kirby. The bottom's in. And then we look at our graphic here, and that's when the real dump occurs, right? That's all very possible, right? But to me, ladies and gentlemen, it doesn't matter, right? That's the difference between long-term hodlers with no plan and no idea of what's going on here, and swing traders that crush this market both to the upside and the downside, like myself. Don Carbonaccio keeps you all updated with my trades, strategies, entries, exits, etc. in real time for you exclusively in VIP. My trade right now is crushing it like a 2-ton man on a tuna fish can, and I'm looking for more aggressive trades right here, right now. I can only do this stream here on YouTube once per day, but in VIP, I'm posting around the clock, 24/7, 365, and I am going to be keeping you all updated with my future trades here in real time. I'm getting aggressive, as you all can see right now. I'm looking to increase my position, take profits on my position, add in new plays. So I will see you all in VIP right now after this video. Shout out to all of my new future VIPs joining VIP right now. I will see you in VIP right now. Let's get this crypto. The market to me right now is in a critical zone. Bitcoin dominance now up at 66.5% at the time of recording. And we continue to climb, ladies and gentlemen. Don Carbonaccio, been shouting it out. I see no reason why Bitcoin dominance shouldn't continue to climb here. Margin, leverage platforms seeing the majority of the volume. Bitcoin ripping heinously, tens of percents per day at this point, it seems like. And if there is leverage added on to these moves, what is the use case for the altcoins? If they're just being used to speculate upon, and they only, are being traded spot for the most part with no leverage, then what's, right? If you can't short the altcoins, right, for the most part, then what's the value here, right? Oh, Kirby, they're such great projects, Kirby. They're going to change the world. All right, James, you know what? I mean, if you want to go down that rabbit hole, shout out to you, my friend. Grab some popcorn and a drink, and you can do whatever you want with that. But Don Carbonaccio keeps a realistic level head here. And for me, this market is all about speculation. And if the altcoins don't allow shorting, if only a small percentage of them do, for me right now, all the focus is on Bitcoin, where the traders are finding insane yield here with these heinous movements in the most liquid large cap crypto, which is Bitcoin itself. Let's get this crypto. Guys, the Google Trends data here as well. Over the past 90 days, we had our peak at June 26th there, which was the absolute top. That was the literal top of the macro trend here. Since then, we've plunged now to a 36, right? It's a 64% loss in interest here on Google Trends for the search term Bitcoin. Guys, I believe that right now the times are telling that the bullish momentum of this parabolic uptrend is certainly beginning to lose some steam, right? And if this is going to continue to drop here, I just want to point out that there has been a confluence here that I've been pointing out on the Bitcoin futures chart. This does not need to fill, but there is a gap here between essentially 9,000 and 8,500, right? And right now, with the momentum of the trend, losing support here at this pink region, which was also a gap in and of itself that did fill, it would not surprise me in the least to see this gap fill here as well. Let's get this crypto. So for me right now, all eyes are on this region. But I'm also not ruling the fact out that we could see some bounces in here. We could see some more liquidation hunts, REKT city bots trying to just stop you out, etc., etc. So right now, I'm prepared to crush it, right? I'm moving my stop losses, taking profits as I see necessary, adding to my positions, subtracting from my positions, etc., etc. Do not get caught like a deer in the headlights here, ladies and gentlemen. Do not. The time is now to crush the market. This is the area where those who have a plan look to crush, and those without a plan get wrecked. This is very simple here, right? We see what's gone on up here. Many moon boys yesterday, oh, Kirby, well, don't you see that we're just moving up really fast, Kirby, and you're going to get wrecked? You're going to short, Kirby? You're going to short? Well, that's why they're called moon boys, right? They buy the top and sell the bottom, right? Don Carbonaccio shorted the top while these moon boys bought. This is just how this market works, ladies and gentlemen. This is where the boys get separated from the men, the girls from the women, and the sheep from the savages. Right now, I'm preparing to crush this market. I'm preparing to get this crypto, and I am going to keep you all updated in VIP with every single trade that I make here. Right now, my trade is fantastic. I'm letting this ride, right? The famous saying in trading, cut your losers short, let your winners run. Right now, my winner is running, and I'm going to continue to let this run. I'm going to continue to update you all with my new trades in VIP right now. I told you, I see potentially life-changing trading opportunity inside this market right now, and ladies and gentlemen, it is in fact just that. How sweet it is to be on the right side of this trade. Let's get this crypto. So, guys, I will see you all in VIP right now, and shout out to all of my new future VIPs joining VIP right now after this video. I'm going to keep you updated with my trades there. This market is looking very, very juicy right now. Crocodile tooth pattern formations all along the way here. I would expect even more volatility as we move forward. Let's get this crypto. I'm going to continue to trade it aggressively as I don't see any other market right now that's as juicy as this one. Potentially life-changing trading opportunity here almost on a daily basis here, in my opinion, and I'm ready to crush it like a 2-ton man on a tuna fish can. Are you going to be the one that gets crushed here, or are you going to be the one that does the crushing? Don Carbonaccio does not fail to plan. Don Carbonaccio plans to Don Carbonaccio plans to succeed. So, guys, I'm ready to crush this market. Today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I will see you all in VIP right now. Shout out to all of my new future VIPs joining VIP right now after this video. I will see you in VIP right now. Let's get this crypto. I am going to be taking more aggressive positions here, ladies and gentlemen. I'm ready to crush it. Are you? Let's get this crypto. Guys, if you could one last time, moon up the likes, moon them up, smash those thumbs, click the subscribe button, tick the little bell, and let's get this crypto. I'm ready to strike like a cobra out of the grass. Let's get this crypto. So until next time, my friends, the Don has spoken. Be safe, be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs.